Hello and welcome to Country Roads Crafts. I'm Frank and today I'm going to show you how I use Woodubend to embellish a project like this bar right here. Notice that it's round. I didn't do a great job filming the lower doors, so all you get's a picture of the pieces already attached, but that's them there. I used painter tape to help me get my alignments, both left and right and top and bottom, and there I'm marking one end of it. The second piece of tape, you may say, is not needed because I can just line up the one end. But what that second piece of tape is for isn't to get left and right. It's actually to get my vertical alignment so I can measure down and mark the center of that piece of where I want it to fall at. Do the same on both ends, so now I know where it's at. I'm going to go to apply it. Once I've got that marked, I go ahead and heat up my Woodubend piece. This has been pre-painted, and then so I warm it up, and you can see that it's actually bending pretty quickly, especially the thinner areas of the piece. The thicker areas maybe not quite so much, so just be careful about how you apply your heat. You want to heat it up evenly. Titebond quick and thick is my normal go-to for Woodubend, but in this case I used Titebond 3 because I wanted to have a little bit more open time because I knew I'd be applying heat to make some adjustments. So now I've got glue on the back and I applied it. And once I've done that, I realized there was a few pieces that was not quite where I wanted them. So I brought the heat gun out again, warmed them up, applied some pressure, and massaged them into place. Be careful with this. Don't overheat your glue, don't overheat your paint, and don't press too hard once you've got it softened up or you can deform it. But in the end, you end up with a beautiful piece of furniture, much like this right here. The black wax really makes everything pop. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you back next time. Country Roads Crafts.